everyone, welcome to a 30-day design challenge. Today we have a day 7 and we are going to be designing app settings. For everyone who is new to this channel, hi, I'm Nikki. I'm a product manager and a startup founder, and in this series I'm learning how to use Figma. So bear with me. Today I'm going to be creating a simple app setting. I'm thinking of very simplistic minimal design with kind of like just shadows and boxes and maybe a little gradient. I'm going to again generate the colors by colors.co, so I don't spend that much time on it. I'm going to speed up this video and in the end we are going to review the result. So let's get into it. Okay, so I think we finished the design. I got 3 versions. There's a pink, green, and a darker version of a design. I tried to create these kind of like a shadow boxes and also my own custom icons to learn how to create the shapes in Figma. I could use an already existing library for the icons, but I was thinking I really wanted to learn how to create the different shapes and use these different selection tools. I think there is still definitely a lot for me to improve in how I use the colors, so pink and a green design doesn't look as good as a darker version of a design again, so I think that simple black and white design still works best for me. I need to definitely work on this one. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and join me in the next video for the day 8 of a 30 days daily UI design challenge, where I'm going to be designing a 404 page. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give a like to support the video. See you in the next one!